While you may download images from the NASA Operation Icebridge data portal to classify, for the purposes of this workshop, several sample images have already been downloaded for you. These images have been uploaded to a Google Drive folder, the link for which will be provided to you during the workshop. You may download all 20 sample images by dragging your mouse cursor over the images and then right-clicking and then clicking download. This will download all 20 files in a zip folder to your local machine. Once you have downloaded the sample images, unzip the files on your local machine. Next, go back to the ArcCI website, click on Choose Files, and select the images you want to upload. Once you have selected the images you want to upload, click on Upload Image. This will begin the uploading process. Once you have uploaded your images, you should see them appear in the ArcCI table. When selecting images, you may also check the checkbox at the top of the ArcCI table page to automatically select all of the images on the ArcCI table page you are currently on. Note that this will not select any images that are not on the current ArcCI table page you are currently on. Each ArcCI table page automatically displays 10 images by default. To increase the number of images displayed on each ArcCI table page, go to the bottom right-hand corner of the website and change the records limit from 10 to 50 or 100. Then you may use the same checkbox feature to select more than 10 images at once. You may sort the image items by using the file attributes in the ArcCI table, including file name, the upload time, the user uploaded by, the image size, as well as the image status, processed or not yet processed. You may also delete images that you have uploaded by clicking on the checkbox next to the image you would like to delete, and then clicking on the image delete button. You will then be prompted as to whether or not you want to delete the image. To delete, press OK. You may also share images you have uploaded with other ArcCI users by clicking on the checkbox next to the image you would like to share, and then clicking on the image sharing button. Select the user you would like to share your image with, and then click on the share button.